What have you been able to figure out?
This was caught on a wildlife cam this morning.
It's Enid.
She was heading north, just 5 miles from the Canadian border. Now that Nevermore is Nevermore.
First, I must find Enid. I gave her my word. But who exactly will return by my side? My friend? Or the beast that's consumed her?
I got your message! I'm always up for a road trip. So where to? Slaughter Beach? Death Valley?
We're headed north to rescue Enid.